Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to delete labels in Gmail. Labels in Gmail help organize emails, but deleting unused labels can keep your inbox cleaner and easier to manage. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign in with your account in the left sidebar. Scroll down and click More to expand all labels. If needed, locate the label that you want to delete. Let's say I want to delete this label. Just click on the three dot. And from here, you will get option called Remove Label. Just click on it. And you will be prompted to remove label. Just click on Delete and the label will be deleted. But the emails associated with it will remain in your inbox or other folders. You can also go to Manage Labels and you'll get the option to show or hide other labels from the list. And that's it. We just learned how to delete labels in Gmail without deleting the emails linked to them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial videos.